Most soldering stations sold online are cheap knockoffs built to fail within weeks. A bad pick costs you wasted money and frustrated solder joints. Ever wrestle with temperature drift or slow heat from a new station? Don't worry, we've got you covered with clear picks and solid reasons. Today, I'm going to be going over the best soldering station that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the BK602S soldering station. From the outset, this compact unit targets hobbyists and small repair shops seeking a versatile 2-in-1 solution for soldering and rework. Its design emphasizes space saving with a compact footprint that keeps your benchtop uncluttered while still offering full dual station capability. The module construction combines sturdy plastics with metal chassis, yielding reliable heat management and sturdy tilt during frequent tool changes. Overall, this BK602 soldering station presents a compact profile that fits crowded benches while maintaining stable operation. The chassis blends metal strength with ergonomic controls, delivering a premium tactile feel that inspires confidence during delicate rework. Its compact form hides a surprisingly robust interior, where heat management and component spacing reflect deliberate engineering choices. The integrated PID temperature control manages both the soldering iron and the hot air gun, delivering stable temperatures for sensitive components. Iron temperature ranges from 356 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing precise profiling for lead-free joints. The hot air gun offers 212 to 932 degrees Fahrenheit for precise desoldering of dense SMDs. Auto sleep, standby modes, Celsius-Fahrenheit conversion, automatic shutdown, and calibration routines collectively extend tip life and simplify daily workflows. During live bench tests, the station held steady temperatures under load, with rapid heat recovery and minimal overshoot during frequent rework tasks. Compared to the YIHUA 888D, this BK602S offers 2-in-1 versatility and compelling value. The pros include 2-in-1 versatility, a rich accessory kit, and robust build quality that withstands frequent, intensive soldering sessions. The cons include higher price compared to basic models and a somewhat steep learning curve for new users. Even with the price premium, the included solder tips, nozzles, tweezers, solder wire, cleaner, and manual make setup straightforward. At number 4, we have the YIHUA 92630. Built for hobbyists, enthusiasts, and professionals, this station promises precise control, quick heating, and a compact footprint suitable for crowded benches. The build feels sturdy with a robust metal frame and a compact profile that fits tightly on crowded workbenches. An integrated soldering iron holder and rear protective mesh minimize clutter while preventing accidental contact during long sessions. The kit arrives as a 12-in-1 bundle including 2 helping hands and multiple tips, maximizing value at a single purchase. The soldering iron station employs PID temperature stabilization, ensuring set temperatures stay steady despite load changes and tip heat loss. You can dial a broad range from 194 Fahrenheit to 896 Fahrenheit using the digital display. Digital temperature calibration allows fine-tuning with each tip, while sleep mode activates after set inactivity to preserve tip life. This 12-in-1 kit includes 2 helping hands, 6 tips, a solder sucker, tweezers, a roll of lead-free solder, and more. During tests, the unit reaches target temperature quickly and maintains steady performance across typical soldering tasks without noticeable drift. UL standard compliance and a protective rear mesh contribute to safer operation, while the auto sleep reduces wear during long sessions. Compared with a typical 250-watt desoldering station, the YI offers quicker heat up and steadier temperatures. The pros include strong build quality, remarkably fast heat up, and impressively reliable tip life across demanding sessions. The cons include higher price versus basic units and a slightly bulky footprint that could overwhelm ultra-compact benches. At number 3, we have the YIHUA 939D+. From the moment you unbox it, this YIHUA station signals professional intent with a robust metal chassis and disciplined cable routing. Its lightweight makes it easy to move between benches during long sessions at the work table every day. This model features a premium brushed aluminum control panel and a robust metal stand that resists heat marks. The temperature range spans from 392 Fahrenheit to 896 Fahrenheit for delicate soldering and heavy industrial work. The package includes a dependable 12-month warranty and access to around-the-clock support from the US team. In direct comparison to a leading compact soldering station, the YIHUA model demonstrates quicker heat up and steadier temperature control. The pros include a sturdy, vibration-resistant brushed aluminum build, exceptionally precise, repeatable temperature control, and effortless calibration procedures. The cons include a higher price point and a larger footprint that may challenge tighter desk setups, especially in small studios. During extensive real-world testing, the YIHUA model maintains stable heat, rapid preheat, and consistent joints across long sessions. Calibration stability remains solid after hours of continuous use in a busy workshop environment today reliably, even under elevated temperatures. An impressive memory of settings and rapid re-engagement between sessions helps keep every project on track with minimal interruptions. This station suits hobbyists upgrading their toolkit, professional technicians needing reliable uptime, and educational labs prioritizing precision today. For converters and ESD-aware electronics projects, this YIHUA station delivers reliable performance, versatile features, and peace of mind. In practice, experienced technicians will find the YIHUA station offers professional-grade heat control, durable design, and a versatile feature set. Readers can expect dependable performance and scalable temperature precision across a wide range of soldering tasks in professional environments. At number 2, we have the YIHUA 926-3. From the outset, this soldering station feels approachable for hobbyists and seasoned makers alike due to its intuitive design and solid build. It appeals to beginners seeking safe guidance as well as professionals needing reliable performance with a space-saving footprint. The included 2 helping hands, 6 tips, and a roll of lead-free solder emphasize its beginner-friendly value and practical readiness. The chassis integrates a premium brushed aluminum shell with a compact profile, delivering a durable yet space-efficient workstation surface. The thoughtful layout places the back mesh protector to prevent accidental contact and provides built-in tip storage for quick access. Space-saving design consolidates the soldering station with a dedicated stand, creating a tidy workbench and simplifying tool placement during tasks. A clear Celsius/Fahrenheit digital display accompanies sleep mode, calibration, and PID heat control to deliver precise and reliable performance across tasks. A single intuitive knob also acts as a menu button, letting users adjust temperature precisely while keeping workflow uninterrupted. The temperature range spans from 194 Fahrenheit to 896 Fahrenheit plus 90 to 480 Celsius. In real-world testing, the station heats rapidly and holds temperature consistently under varying loads across different boards and tasks. The quick warm-up and stable control reduce rework and improve soldering consistency on delicate assemblies in everyday projects. Compared with a typical budget soldering station, the YIHUA model offers stronger temperature stability, a broader range, and a bundled accessory kit. The pros include excellent temperature control, extensive accessory bundle, and compact space-saving design. The cons include higher price and slightly bulky footprint. At number 1, we have the Weller WE1010NA. This professional-grade soldering station targets enthusiasts and pros who demand consistent temperature control and fast, reliable performance for dense wiring work. The build quality is superb, featuring a rugged chassis, a heat-resistant cable, and precise tolerances that withstand daily workshop use. Temperature stability is impressive, maintaining tight control plus a functional temperature lock that protects tips and adjacent components over time. Standby mode and auto setback provide energy savings while keeping the station ready for rapid resumption of soldering tasks. Inside the box is the WE10NA base station, a WEP70 tip retainer, a WEP70 iron, a pH70 safety rest with sponge. Compared to the YIHUA FX888D, the Weller WE1010NA offers steadier temperature control and faster heat recovery. The pros include strong heat output, excellent temperature stability under heavy workload, straightforward setup, and a remarkably rich accessory kit. The cons include a higher price point relative to entry-level stations and a steep learning curve for unlocking the full feature set. In bench tests, the WE1010NA reached temperature target within seconds, maintained stability across jobs, and delivered consistent solder joints under varying ambient conditions. During real-world usage with lead-free solder, the tip remained sharp, temperature drifts stayed within margin, and workers appreciated the ergonomic hand feel. Ergonomics focus centers on a balanced weight distribution, a comfortable handle, a heat-resistant silicone cable, and a stand that minimizes tip damage. Professional shops seeking reliability and repeatable results, the WE1010NA justifies its higher price with durable construction, protection, and readiness to solder. In real-world shops, this model consistently performs under pressure, delivering dependable heat, precision, and durable construction that stand up to daily use.